So I'm actually headed over to my Nana's house. I'm going to be insulating her new window AC unit. She put it in recently. It came with those, you know, common accordion side pieces that AC units will come with or that you can buy. But it's still not insulated super well. There's definitely some gaps around the edges that I want to get closed up. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's super simple. I'm going to be using two products today, both from Amazon, and they are both linked in the description below. So if you are doing this, check them out. They're super simple to use, and I'm going to show you exactly how right now. Okay, so this is the AC unit I'm going to be working on. It's pretty well sealed, but there is this part right here that has like a gap in it that I want to definitely tape up. I'm going to be using this tape. You can get it on Amazon, like I said, link below. And then there are some bigger gaps on the side over here, which I'll show, and underneath, which I want to add some of this foam to. So this foam is really helpful. It even has like an adhesive side, so you don't have to stick it yourself. You just peel this off, and then just can squish it into the spot you want to use it. Okay, so this is a gap right here. This is window, and this is solid, but there's this gap that goes basically all the way up. And so for this part, I'm just going to use this tape. This will really do it. This is weather sealant tape. So if you have small gaps, I would recommend this. This tape is really sticky, so make sure you're aware of that. And I'm just going to go ahead and put a whole strip here. If you wanted, you could cut it in half because it's not really this thick, but that's just extra work, and so I don't think it's really worth it. And then there is like this, there's this larger gap on the side, like I can fit my finger through it. So that I'm going to use the foam, and same with some stuff underneath. There's actually already some foam in here, so I'll be adding some on this side and then on the other side as well. Okay, so now I've got this gap right here to deal with, which I'm going to use the foam for. Obviously this is a pretty easy thing like to do once you have this stuff. I think the hardest part is just figuring out what to buy because there's so many options out there, and just this is what has worked for me, so I recommend it. So you're going to want to cut it to the length that you want. I want mine to about here because if I start pushing it in up further up this crack, it's just going to push this out. So I'm going to do it to about here and then push this in, and then I will also tape it shut around it. You can literally just cut this foam with scissors. You just squish it and cut it. And then I'm going to stick this to the actual unit because if they ever do want to remove this, it'll be easier to take it off this than the window. And you know, we care more about the window than this accordion, so we're going to stick it to this part. So this backing just comes right off, and then you can stick it right in there. So I'm actually going to kind of pull this out to stick this on the inside, and then I'll push it into where I want it, which is about right here. So now that this is in, this part is really well insulated, and then this part I still want to tape up a little bit. Okay, so down here, if you can see it, they'd already put in some foam, but I can see some light coming through, and I want to kind of double secure that. I'm not even using the sticky part on this one just because we don't need it. Like, it'll stay in here, and it'll make removing this eventually easier. So if you don't need to use the sticky part, you know, you can just stick it in there. Sticking some more over here, also not using that sticky part. That other thing I was mentioning was that this accordion isn't sealed very well right here. So I'm going to add some tape here, and then everywhere else it should be good. I'm going to put this mostly on the unit, just because it'll be harder to stick it to like the accordion part of this accordion. I know that sounds weird. You can also get like caulking if this part of your AC needs it. This AC is fine, it doesn't really need it, but I'll link that in the description below as well. As you can see, this was actually a man-made piece because this window opens side to side, not up and down, which your typical, you want your window to open up and down if you're putting in an AC unit. So this was actually created just for this window to be put in to basically make this window operate as an up and down window. And you can see there's some like caulking here, so that's what I'm talking about, that you can put in these locations if it needs it. Alright guys, so this is now fully insulated. It only took 2 products, which is great. You could do this with just tape, maybe, depending on your situation, if you really wanted to just use one product. I recommend both. It's just nice to be able to fill those larger gaps with the foam, and smaller gaps with tape, and then also you can even double layer them if you want, do some foam and tape, depending on just how you feel and how secure you want it to be. As always, be careful when working with an AC unit. Don't push it out the window. That should go without saying, but don't do that. I think that's all there is. If you have any questions, put those in the comments below. And if you like this video and if it helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more stuff like this. I will have more practical fix videos coming out along with more fun stuff. So stay tuned.